Alright, I'm going to run through how to set up the Julti multi-instance macro. First thing you want to do is follow K4's setup tutorial, linked in the description. With the instance you've created in multi-MC, right-click, copy instance, call it something like instance1, delete the old instance. Now open the instance, go to options, click the ender pearl, and click use global options. Now close the instance. Now you want to click Minecraft folder, and copy the directory. Now you want to open modcheck, select instance paths, and paste it down here. And at the bottom, select standard settings and sleep background, and then hit download. Now in your Minecraft folder, go to config, and you want to drag in the sleepbg file linked in the description. Now quickly open and close your instance. You should see this standard options file. You want to copy this file to somewhere else safe, like your desktop. Hold shift and right click on the file, click copy as path. Now in the file in your Minecraft directory, hit Ctrl A to delete everything. Paste in the path, and remove the quotation marks. Save and exit. Now to find out how many instances your PC can handle, we're going to go to Task Manager. Right click your taskbar, open Task Manager, go to Performance. You can get a fairly safe number of instances if you divide your logical processes by 2. You're also going to need around 2 gigs of RAM for each instance. I'm going to set up 9 instances. Now back in multi-MC, right click and copy instance again. For every instance, change the number at the end. Make sure you turn off copy saves and keep playtime. Once you've copied all your instances, you want to open them all one by one. Now that all the instances are open, you can download Julti, linked in the description. Open Julti. Go to Instance Utilities, Redetect Instances, and OK. Now you want to go to Options, go through and make sure everything looks good. Most people will want to use Wall. If you want to manually change the grid size on your wall, you want to untick Automatically Determine Wall Layout. Some options I recommend changing is the Wide Reset Squish level. In the Other tab, if you click Auto Detect, hopefully it can find your multi-MC directory, but you can also just paste it manually. If you're a full screen user, click Enable Experimental Options, and then in the Experimental tab, enable Auto Full Screen. Once you're done, close the options window. Now in OBS, I recommend duplicating your current scene collection, just in case anything goes wrong. I'd recommend deleting as many of your old scenes as you can, and leaving behind only the things you want to keep. Now go to Tools, Scripts, hit the plus. At the top, search for %user profile %/.julti and add this Julti OBS link.lua file. Now click Generate Scenes and then Generate Stream Scenes. Now click Lock Display and then right click the Julti scene and go to Full Screen Projector. If you've used the wall before, you know how this works. Using the default hotkeys, T will reset all instances. You can press R to play an instance, and then U to reset. If you lock an instance by shift and left clicking it, you can prevent it from being reset when you press the reset all hotkey. You should add any overlays like your chat, webcam, and the playing and walling scenes respectively. To ensure your runs are verifiable, I recommend using the Source Record plugin to record the verification scene. I'll link the plugin in the description. Once you have it downloaded, right click the verification scene, go to Filters, and add the Source Record filter. And set it to record while you're recording. Make sure the file path is set correctly, and make sure everything down here is set as you want. Now whenever you want to launch the wall, just open Julti, go to Instance Utilities, and launch all instances. If at any point you have instances missing on your Julti or verification scenes like this, go to Julti, Instance Utilities, and Set Titles. If you have any other issues or if there's anything else you're curious about, check the description for some frequently asked questions. Otherwise, you can check the GitHub page or join the Discord.